Hi and welcome. My name is Darren from Watercolor Mentor, and in this class, I'm going to be going through how I actually plan my paintings. I'll start from the reference picture, work my way up, and I'll be talking about sketching, so how to use a sketchbook and come up with a really basic drawing and basic painting before you end up actually starting your painting on watercolor paper. So a lot of you will be wondering, how do I turn a reference photo into an actual painting? And there's a few different ways people do this, but I find the simplest way to do this is always to experiment a little bit beforehand. When I say that, I mean using a scrap bit of paper, maybe you've got a sketchbook, something like that. That can get you a little bit more comfortable with the composition, play around with a few elements before you even start. So I'll be going through how to do all of that in this class so that if you have any reference photo of a landscape, maybe something that you've taken or maybe something you've found online, you'll feel confident by the end to be able to take those elements and turn them into an actual painting. Because at times it can be very challenging to know where to even start with a reference photo, how to take certain elements and leave some bits out and maybe exaggerate and change other bits. So you'll learn all of that and a lot more in this class. I'll talk about how to paint these 6 paintings and plan them out and have some fun in the process.